Hello YouTube, I'm going to show you how to make a 1.2.5 Bukkit server for Mac. First, you want to make a new folder, name it Bukkit server, whatever you want. I just named the server because I already have my server right here. And make a folder, go to your web browser, and search up 1.2.5 craftbukkit. And then press on the first link, and then come here and download this right here. I'm going to have the link in the description so you don't have to type anything in. So download that. I already have it downloaded, so I don't need to do it. Go to your downloads, take it out, put it into your server folder. Once you put it in, you have to highlight it, press enter, and then erase everything but craftbukkit.jar. And then that's it just for this. Okay. Then you want to go to your spotlight search, type in text edit. This should come up. The text edit, this should come up. Click it. And I'm going to have this code in the description for you to copy into this. So copy it and put it in here. It should look like this right here. Okay, first we want to see how much RAM your computer has. To know, go up here to this Apple logo, about this Mac. If you have 4 gigabyte computer, that you want to put 2000 M into both of these number parts, and that means it's 2 gigabytes. Next, you want to go to Format, make plain text, and then save it as start.command, and save it to your desktop. Once you do that, save it. It should come up right here. Put it in your server folder. Once you do that, open your terminal. Type in TER to put up terminal. And this should come up right here. Type in chmod space A plus X space. Make sure you have the space after the X. Once you do that, drag in start.command in here. Press enter. What that does, it lets start.command or craftbukkit.jar whatever. It just lets this to do that. Yeah. Okay. Once you do that, it's gonna do all this load stuff, and you just have to wait. Wait till it all loads, and then okay. Takes a little bit. Okay, once it's finished loading, don't worry about the warning. And once it's done, press stop. Okay, once it's done, go to your server.properties, and now we have to go through all of these lists. Okay, level name, world, allow another true, allow flight. If you want, mods on here, like if you put this to false, it helps you keep people with mods coming on. So I'm gonna keep that false. Level type, it's either default or flat, whatever you want. And then enable Archon, I don't know what that is. Level seed if you want it. Don't put in the server IP yet. Max build height, so leave that. Spawn MP CS, don't know what that is. Whitelist. Well, if you want whitelist, that's just if you want to make it a local server, so people just can't join randomly. And if you have that true, just go here and enter their name so they can play. And then spawn animals true, online mode true, PvP, whatever you want. And PvP means player versus player, so if it's true, you can hit the other person and it hurts them. False, they can't do that. Max players, leave it at 20. Spawn monsters true. And then down here at MATD, that if you want to change it to like my server or something, when they put in the IP, below it it's gonna have like below it it's gonna say my server. Okay, once you're done with that, exit out of it and save. Now for the IP thing, you're gonna have to go to Portmap, download Portmap. Go to Google, type in Portmap, or I'm gonna have a link in the description if you don't want to. This should come up. Scroll down until you find this link right here. Download the application. Download it. Drag it out to your desktop, or just open it. And I have it right here. I'm gonna open it. Now, an IP should come up, and yeah, an IP should come up. And go to your server.properties and see this right here, server port. You want to add, hold on, what is that? Go to add, type in 25565, description, Minecraft, add mapping. And then this is the IP you're going to give to your friends right here for them to join. And so far, you're pretty much done. Now let's just see if it works. Okay, seems to be all fine, no warnings, no anything so far. Now open up your Minecraft. Multiplayer. Oh, you're just gonna wanna go to add server and type in local host. Done. But if you wanna have when you give this IP to your friends for them to play, don't make them type in localhost. Localhost is a 25565 port thing, so you don't have to type in your server IP, and it makes it run faster too. Log in, and everything seems to be fine so far. Okay, and that's what it is pretty much. Okay, now here comes the plugins. Now exit out of your Minecraft and stop the server. Okay, for your plugins, I'm going to give you the simple ones that you should use. To find them, you go to Bukkit, go to Google, type in Bukkit list, and it should come up, Bukkit plugin list. Now there's a bunch of them, plenty of plugins that you can use. I'm gonna give you, let's just do a simple one, Essentials. Essentials is a really helpful plugin. I'll explain it once I download it and put it in. Download the Essentials core download, and once you do that, open your server, go into plugins, go to your downloads. Hold on. First, unzip it and open the folder. These should come up. This one I don't think really matters, so you can get rid of that. Drag these three in there. Now run the server. So now it's loading essentials, chat, spawn, waiting. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm going to help you explain. I'm just going to go ahead and OP myself. Okay, go into your server. Okay. Now once you're in, type. This should come up right here. Plugin matrix collects minimal statics data starting in about 5 minutes. Type in. You have first of all OP yourself and then type in /essentials opt /out and enter. Now essentials collects simple matrix blah 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 blah. Yeah. Okay, let's see, hold on. Okay, yeah. Once you do that, log out, log back in. See how it says 55, yeah, join game, welcome, type /help for list commands. And so type /help, and all this should come up. The essentials, when I put in the plugin, the essentials.jar, the regular, it gave you all these commands. So /afk, backup, balance, /balance is a money thing that if you want to put in. It's a plugin called Economy, and Chess Shop is a good plugin to put in if you have that in there. /help 2. There's more right here. Yeah, those are all simple plugins that you can use. Okay, once you've done that, exit out, stop the server, and go into your server folder. Go to plugins, essentials folder, and you can go to config.yml. Okay, this is just explaining every single thing for essentials. Okay, scroll down until you find there's lists like AFK, back on death, balance others. These are the plugins that are in there right now. All you have to do, I think, is let's see. Let's delete one. Like, I'm just gonna delete the nick, the info, ignore, and stuff like that. And that just takes out the commands you don't want in there. I mean, you can just highlight all of them and erase them if you want to, but I'm gonna keep them there for now. And once you've done that, exit out, save. And then, actually, I'm not going to do the permissions this time. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Any problems, tell me in the description. I'll maybe make another video or just help you by talking to you. Okay, thank you and bye.